Hi everyone, it's Rachel and this is just a quick little video to let you know that I'll be having a shop restock very soon. So all these charms that you see in these compartments here will be available for purchase. This shop update will be happening on Monday the 9th of April at 9 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. So being Monday morning in my time, it will most likely be either Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening for most of you watching this video. But of course you can check out exactly what time it will be for you using a Google time converter. So as you can see, and you've probably maybe seen from my Facebook page or Instagram or my other social media, that this restock will be focusing mainly on my Chubby Animal collectibles, which is a little series I made last year or maybe the year before, I don't know, but I haven't restocked them for a little while, so this is a big restock. Last time I only made about 2 of each animal just to see what were the most popular ones and how they went, and they sold really well. So this time I have made a bunch of different ones so that you have a really good chance to try and purchase one if you want to. And as you can see, there's also a few other charms available as well, and these are just left over from previous restocks. So I'll just quickly show you those ones now, and then I'll get into the Chubby Animal collectibles. So we have the Galaxy Stars, and then there's a Pastel Galaxy Star. So these are all in my other shop updates, but I'm just showing you what I have left. I've got the pink Fancy Macarons, which have the little dangly monocle and a mustache. I've got these Dan and Phil Pin-Off Whisker Star Best Friend charms. So there's a black and a white one. So in the listing you receive 1 black and 1 white as well. So you get 2 charms for that one. What else do we have? I've got some of these Galaxy donuts still. So there's the regular Galaxy ones, and then I've also got the Pastel Galaxy ones, which look like that. I've got in this compartment, I've got some of the Polaroid cameras. So there's the pink one or the mint one. So I've only got a few of those left. The donuts, I've only got these 2 left. So I have a blueberry one, or I have just 1 grape one left. There's those ones, and then coming over here I've just got the Kawaii chopped caramel frappes, and they look like that, and there's quite a few of those ones left because I made a bunch of them last time. In this update too, I've also got some B grade charms, which means that they kind of have defects, so I'll be selling them at a cheaper price than the other ones. So in those I've got 3 of the chubby dinosaurs. So on these ones the glaze didn't quite work out properly, and I tried to fix it, but it does look a little bit patchy in areas. I'll try and find an example to see if it shows up on camera. See how it's not like completely, if it focuses, see how the glaze isn't like completely smooth? So there's nothing wrong with the charm apart from those few little patches, but I will be selling them cheaper because of that, because I'm a perfectionist and I like my work to be at a high standard. I also have this pink Polaroid camera charm, and this one will also be cheaper because if you see, it's got like a glaze drip happening. So as it was hanging, the glaze dripped down, so it's got a little bobble at the bottom. But again, that is the only defect on that one, so it will be a little bit cheaper than the rest. Here you can see these will be the Chubby Animal varieties that will be available. I have about 10 of each, don't quote me on that, and I've got a bunch more of the Chubby Dinosaurs because I know that they're really popular, so I made a lot more of those. All of these charms are completely handmade, by the way, so I don't use any molds for my Chubby Animal collectibles. And then yeah, so I'll show you these up close. So here I have the little chubby jellyfish, and these ones come in pink. So these were made with a rose quartz clay, so they're kind of like shimmery, and then I shaded it at the top so it's like a little bit of an ombre on the head. And then they've got the little tentacles, and then they've got the little 3 pink hearts, and all the Chubby Animal collectibles have that. It's kind of like their little trademark. So if any of my charms ever have the 3 little hearts like that, you know that they're in the series of charms. So that's the jellyfish. Then I have 2 varieties of cats. So I have brown cats, and then I have grey cats as well. So they're they're pretty much the same apart from the color. So they're a lighter color, and then they have some little stripes on them that are the darker color, so like a darker brown and a darker gray. Again, they've got the hearts, they've got a little tail on the back, and yeah, that's what those ones look like. So this one here is, as you can see, the little chubby koala. Oh, and by the way, all these charms come on a silver little lobster clasp like this. So you can just open it and you can put it on your keys or your bags, or like on a zip on a pencil case, anything like that really that you like. Or you can just have it as a little figurine. So that's the koala. Over here I've got the little chubby brown bear. So that's what that one looks like. I've got this one, and then this is a little fox. So he's orange and he's got little black details, so his ears, his feet, and then on the back is the tail. This little guy over here is the penguin. So I made these ones black, and then they've got like a white front with the face details and the feet and the little arms, and then some sort of like little fur sticking up at the top there, and then on the back there's the tail and the 3 hearts. Then everyone's favorite, which is my little chubby green dinos. So that's what these ones look like. On this side it's got the little hearts, and then this side's just plain. I actually changed the design a little bit this time. So I used to make the spikes on the dinosaur triangle, but I decided to make them, I don't know what shape this is, but I decided to make them like this time, and I really like the way they turned out, so I'll probably keep it that way from now on. And then this last one I have to show you is actually the new addition to the collectibles, and these are my little snow leopards. So you might have seen my tutorial for a regular snow leopard, but I decided to put them into the Chubby Animal collectibles, and this is what they turned out like. So I used white clay, and then I shaded it and painted on like the little spotty details, and again they've got the 3 hearts, and I really love how those ones turned out, and they did seem quite popular on Instagram when I posted about them, so I'm excited to start selling these. So there you have it. That was just a quick little update video to show you what will be available in my restock. The link to my shop will be down below in the description box, or you can just search it up. It's Creative Rachie as it is on YouTube, so spelt the same way. Don't forget the update will be happening Monday the 9th of April, 9 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time, which will be Monday morning for me, but probably Sunday afternoon or evening for most of you watching. Thank you in advance if you purchase anything at all, or even just check out my shop to see what I have. Any support like that is really appreciated. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.